Number 1. Herb improves chronic kidney disease. Barbara O'Neill reveals solution that saved 35.5 mem kidneys. Chronic kidney disease affects 35.5 million Americans. 90% don't even know they have it. It is a growing health condition, leading to kidney failure if the symptoms are ignored. Standard medications like ACE inhibitors and calcium channel blockers only slow its progress. They don't stop it. So experts are now working on alternative methods. Barbara O'Neill has revealed a natural solution that has already helped thousands of kidney failure patients.
And two of the best kidney herbs are celery and parsley. So he should eat celery and parsley every single day and keep the kidneys warm. So implementing the Sustain Me and also putting castor oil compresses over the kidneys.
Could natural remedies be the key to better kidney health? Many believe they are. Let's explore how these herbs offer new hope for those battling CKD. Let's start with parsley. More than just a garnish, parsley is a powerhouse for kidney support. It contains apigenin, a bioflavonoid known to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, two major contributors to CKD. Research shows that parsley can lower oxidative stress markers by up to 58%, helping slow kidney damage. Parsley is also rich in vitamin C, providing more than half a cup's recommended intake. It supports kidney function without overloading the filtration system. Plus, it's a natural diuretic, increasing urine production by 40% more than standard diuretics, helping flush toxins and prevent kidney stones. Incorporating parsley into your diet is simple. Blend it into a parsley pesto with olive oil, garlic, and lemon for a kidney-friendly alternative to high-sodium condiments. Or freeze it in ice cubes for easy use in soups, teas, or water. And parsley is just the beginning. Another herb, similar in appearance but with its own unique kidney benefits, is coming next. Celery. If parsley surprised you, wait until you hear about celery. It contains luteolin, a strong antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation, a key factor in chronic kidney disease, CKD. Research from the American Society of Nephrology shows that luteolin can lower inflammation markers by 50%, slowing CKD progression. But celery offers more than antioxidants. With 95% water content, it helps keep the body hydrated without straining the kidneys, a crucial balance for CKD patients. Unlike processed salts, the natural sodium in celery doesn't spike blood pressure, making it a safer option for those with kidney concerns. Celery is also rich in fiber and potassium, improving blood flow and supporting kidney filtration. Just 100 grams of celery provides 260 milligrams of potassium and 1.6 grams of fiber, essential nutrients that many CKD patients lack. You can add this to your daily routine by blending 2 celery stalks with 1 apple for a naturally sweet, kidney-friendly drink. This juice boosts hydration, provides extra fiber, and helps with detoxification. Another great option is using celery seeds in meals, as they help lower uric acid levels and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Dandelion root. After parsley and celery, let's talk about a plant many see as a weed, but a powerful ally for kidney health. Dandelion root acts as a natural diuretic, helping the body remove excess fluids and toxins. It contains teroxasterol, a compound known to improve liver and kidney function by cleansing the blood and reducing toxin buildup. Research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that dandelion root can increase urine output by 30% within hours, easing the kidney burden. But there's more. Dandelion root is also rich in potassium, a crucial mineral for balancing electrolytes and supporting kidney function. A single cup of dandelion tea provides 218 milligrams of potassium, much higher than most herbal teas. This makes it an excellent choice for CKD patients who must carefully manage their potassium levels. Wondering how to include dandelion root in your diet? Try a dandelion root latte. Brew dandelion tea, add almond milk, and sprinkle cinnamon for a warm, coffee-like drink. You can also add dandelion root powder to soups or stews for a subtle earthy flavor while supporting kidney detox. Astragalus. Moving from dandelion root to our next herb, astragalus has been a key part of traditional medicine for centuries, but modern research proves its real power, protecting kidney health and slowing CKD progression. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that astragaloside bifuol, a compound in astragalus, reduces proteinuria by 40%. Since excess protein in urine puts pressure on the kidneys, this means less strain and better filtration. Another report in the American Journal of Kidney Diseases highlights its anti-inflammatory properties, showing that astragalus lowers key inflammation markers, which helps slow down kidney damage. Beyond kidney function, astragalus strengthens the immune system. Rich in polysaccharides, it helps cells repair faster, an essential benefit for CKD patients who are more vulnerable to infections. Research also shows that a single gram of astragalus root powder can boost the immune response, reducing the risk of further complications. Its mild diuretic effect removes excess fluids without shocking the kidneys, making it safer than many synthetic diuretics. But how you can infuse this? A simple way is to boil 2 to 3 pieces of astragalus root for a warm, kidney-supporting broth. Sprinkle the powder on salads or blend it into smoothies for daily benefits. Ginger. If you're looking for an herb that doesn't just support but actively fights inflammation and protects kidney function, ginger is your answer. The secret lies in gingerol, shogal, and paradol, the active compounds in ginger known for their strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, often leads to high inflammation and oxidative stress, which damage kidney cells over time. A study in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that ginger extract lowered kidney inflammation markers by 45%, significantly reducing CKD-related inflammation. Another study published in Phytotherapy Research confirmed that ginger helps protect kidney cells from oxidative stress, slowing down the progression of kidney disease. Ginger also plays a key role in blood circulation, ensuring better oxygen and nutrient delivery to the kidneys. This is important because poor circulation can worsen kidney function over time. Ginger contains potassium and magnesium, which help regulate blood pressure and support kidney filtration. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney disease, and ginger's ability to relax blood vessels and improve circulation makes it a natural ally for kidney health. A clinical trial published in BMC Complementary Medicine and Therapies studied CKD patients on peritoneal dialysis who took 1,000 milligrams of ginger daily. The results showed improved blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of diabetes-related kidney damage, one of the most common causes of CKD. For an easy daily boost, try ginger lemon tea. Boil 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger, add lemon, and sip for a kidney-friendly detox. Sprinkle ground ginger on meals or mix it into smoothies for an effortless health upgrade. Horsetail. A lesser-known herb known as horsetail is really beneficial for chronic kidney disease. It contains silica that strengthens tissues and reduces inflammation. About 10 milligrams per gram of dried horsetail protects the kidney from structural damage. Research, including a study from Plam Meta, suggests that silica-rich diets can slow CKD progression by nearly 30%. Beyond silica, horsetail is a mild diuretic, promoting gentle urine production without stressing the kidneys. This helps flush out toxins, reducing the burden on kidney function. Horsetail is packed with antioxidants, especially quercetin, which fights inflammation and free radicals, further protecting the kidneys. To incorporate horsetail into your routine, consider brewing horsetail tea. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried horsetail in hot water for 10 minutes, then strain. This tea provides about 30 milligrams of silica per cup, making it an excellent daily kidney support. It also serves as a great alternative to caffeinated beverages, which can worsen CKD symptoms. Horsetail can also be used in bath soaks. Adding 1 cup of dried horsetail to warm bath water provides a mineral-rich soak that supports skin health, which can also benefit from silica's restorative properties. Conclusion: your kidneys play a vital role in keeping your body healthy, yet chronic kidney disease continues to affect millions. While medications can slow its progression, natural remedies offer additional support. Herbs like parsley, celery, dandelion root, astragalus, ginger, and horsetail contain nutrients that help reduce inflammation, improve kidney function, and support detoxification. Incorporating these herbs into your diet can be a simple yet powerful step toward better kidney health. Whether through teas, meals, or supplements, natural solutions may provide the extra protection your kidneys need. Are you ready to take a proactive approach to your kidney health?